Hey guys, welcome to KB Cars. Today I'm gonna show you a video of CENTY Toys India Toy Train Series Passenger Train. I've already made an unboxing video of this. Today I will be showing you the video in which it would be operating. Yeah, so let's begin. I've already shown you the contents of the box, so let's quickly take them out. Yeah. So I have took out all the stuff. Now let me quickly assemble the track set here, so I can show you the working of the train. So I have took out the rubbers of all the tracks and made them single from the group that they were in. Yeah. So let's now assemble the track set. You can assemble it like this. Yeah, see, there's down a place where it can go, like in any shape you want. Yeah, like this, as simple as that. You can see I have set up the track. So let me quickly put the battery inside the engine and let it be working, so that I can show you the train running on the track. Yeah, let me quickly install the AA batteries onto the engine so that it can start working. Yeah, firstly let me take out the right kind of screwdriver top which can open the engine part. Yeah, this one. It is so easy to open the engine. Just take out the screw from the top and that's all. Yeah, only one screw. Now let me put two AA batteries this size onto the engine. One, two. Yeah, that's all. And just cover the top back onto the engine. That's all. And then here's the switch to turn on the engine. It will start working like this. It's this light working and the tire functioning. Yeah. In order to join the bogies, all you have to do is connect this part to this part. Yeah, that's all. Now you can put it on the track by fixing all the other coaches. So now let me switch on the engine and show you the train running. If you are wondering that this track can accommodate this train or not, then it's definitely a big no, because there's a lot of difference between the size of these trains, and this is built for this, not for this. Yeah, so that's all for my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down there below. Yeah, bye bye.